Hi, my name is Simone and I'm going to deconstruct the cat Mae Boot. Safety first. Let me see. Got through the rubber. We're having issues with the steel sole. It's definitely a strong boot. I'm not sure that the jigsaw's going to get through it, but I'm going to give it a round 2. Get in there. That was hard. This is definitely giving you that support that you need. And then it's just pretty on the outside. And that's what I'm looking for in my DIY build. This is a Mae that we deconstructed earlier and it has a full grain leather upper which is waterproof. Perfect for a DIY build, especially for my van conversion, because in these last 4 months I have seen torrential rain, sleet, snow. I'm building outside 70% of the time and I don't want cold, wet feet. These boots have been technically engineered to ensure that they've got good grip and traction, which is essential when I'm carrying 8x4 bits of plywood in and out of the van to make sure I don't fall out. This build has been one of the most difficult, strenuous things I have ever done. I am so pleased the Cat have provided me with the protection and comfort that I need. I love that these boots are inspired by the Cat Heritage boot. It means that they've got that classic feel and you know they're sturdy and they've got everything you need to keep your toes safe, but they've also got that contemporary feel just to fit with the vibe of my overalls. I got very bored 2 months into my van build and I just decided to jazz them up a bit, and TikTok where I film videos already thinks I'm quite weird, and this boot fits with the vibe. I don't know how many times I've dropped a hammer on my toes, I catch plywood with my feet, I use very powerful tools. Every safety measure is essential. This steel cap toe is exactly what you need in the boot.